Hey everybody, Dashboard here, and it's time for Car Show Cam. This week we went out to Boston's Restaurant and Sports Bar and their monthly cruise-in for September. There were more cars there this time. We're starting to grow. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way. While we were at the Boston's cruise-in, a spontaneous Jeep rally occurred. We also have a little footage from that.
Okay, it's getting good pictures. Why?
Just because.
I don't know why you do it a second time.
Just because.
Okay, alright. Okay. It started.